Welcome to Empowered Within, a soul-quenching, transformational podcast that will set your soul on fire through candid and inspiring conversations. Leading experts, celebrities, healers, and I share our journeys of how we've overcome challenges to living an empowered life from within. I'm your host, Jennifer Pilates. Welcome to another episode of Empowered Within. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to another cosmic episode of Empowered Within. I'm your host, Jennifer Pilates, renowned Reiki Master Healer and intuitive medium, and your guide on this sacred journey of healing, awakening, and soulful transformation. Today's episode is charged with divine energy, and I could not be more excited to share this moment with you. We are standing in a portal of profound possibility. A Libra full moon ruled by Venus happening just as Venus stations direct in Pisces. I mean, hello, talk about amazing energies. And let me tell you, this is no ordinary astrological event. This is an invitation from the universe to return to the truth of your heart. Sit back, relax, and let's take a deep dive into these amazing divine energies together. Let's start with Venus. She's been retrograde since March 1st, traveling through the spiritual waters of Pisces. During this time, many of us have felt reflective, nostalgic, uncertain about love, finances, perhaps even our own self-worth. Tell me, have you been feeling all the feels around this? This Venus retrograde has really been asking you and I to get clear on those relationships around money, around finances. What's really going on? She has really wanted us to dig deep. Venus has been asking, what truly matters to you? Venus has been asking, are you aligned with your soul's values or someone else's expectations? Venus is coming in hot. I know you felt that one. Now, today, April 12th at 8:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, our beautiful, most amazing Venus will station direct at 24 degrees of Pisces, conjunct Saturn, the North Node, Mercury, and Neptune. OMG. That is a lot of planetary conversation happening in the sign of divine love, dreams, and release. And here's what's so important to understand about all this, because this is a culmination. Remember, we're still closing out the eclipse season, so that's a lot of letting go. The full moon, and we have this amazing astrological dance going on. It's so important to understand that Venus in Pisces is soft, healing, and boundless. But Saturn? Saturn brings structure. The North Node guides your destiny. The North Node, you know the cliche, follow your north. What is your true north? The North Node is your destiny. Today is the day. Embrace those energies. Follow. The North Node is guiding you. Have you been getting the signs? Have you been picking up those breadcrumbs? Mercury is all about communication. Mercury just went direct this past week, so we know we still have 2 weeks of a little jumble going on here. But Mercury reveals insights. Mercury, this last retrograde, has all about been reviewing, revising, rethinking things. What are you sure what you thought you wanted was what you really wanted? Or was that just a projection of something else? So Mercury is revealing so many insights right now. Neptune is asking you to surrender. Neptune is asking you to surrender what no longer resonates. So this is a lot. This is a lot to unfold in one beautiful, most amazing, magical full moon day. Oh yes, all of this most divine, amazing energy is about choosing love over fear, faith over fantasy, and purpose over pleasing. Now let's talk about the full moon in Libra. exact the same day Venus turns direct, which is today. Hallelujah! Libra is the sign of harmony, peace, justice, and relationships. And this moon is illuminating all the places where balance has been off, especially in your connections with others and within yourself. So take a moment and think about that. Where have things felt off? A little disjointed? This is being highlighted right now. Today, Chiron, the wounded healer, meets up with the sun in Aries, offering a powerful moment of soul deep healing. This is about reclaiming your power where you've given it away. This is about finding the light in the wound. Can this day get any more powerful? It's unbelievable, but yet there's more. Remember that unforgettable Saturn-Pluto conjunction back on January 12th of 2020? That one? Come on, think back, take a minute. January 12th, 2020. The unforgettable Saturn-Pluto conjunction, the one that changed everything. This moon today, this beautiful full moon touches the same energetic space, offering healing, closure, and a chance to breathe new life into your purpose. Now, as if all of this amazing energy and astrological dance going on wasn't enough, there's also a supportive grand trine in this full moon chart. It's involving Mars in Cancer, which is all about courage with emotional wisdom. There's also Juno in Sagittarius, which is soul-aligned partnership energy. And the Pisces dream team, Venus, Saturn, the North Node, Mercury, and Neptune. This grand trine is your green light from the universe saying, you are safe to trust your dreams. I'm going to say it again. This grand trine, it's your green light from the universe. You are safe to trust your dreams. You're being called to take aligned action, not rushed hustle. There's a softness here. There's a gentleness. There's a sweetness. A surrender that holds strength, that allows you to feel empowered within. Embrace it. And so with this amazing energetic astrology dance that we have going on today, I invite you into a sacred space. The Reiki Moon Magic Distant Healing event is divinely timed to align with this full moon and Venus direct energy. This is the perfect moment to release what is no longer aligned with love. Call your power back from old wounds. Magnetize soul-aligned partnerships and divine abundance. Soothe your nervous system and root your intentions in the heart. I created this event to be able to guide you through the moon portals with love, safety, and empowered energy. Whether you're feeling called to let go, open up, or simply rest, you are welcome to join this most amazing energetic event happening. Join me for 30 minutes of lunar-aligned Reiki distant healing and collective energy clearing. No Zoom, no text. All you have to do is rest and receive. Come as you are, leave lighter, clearer, and divinely supported. As Venus slowly emerges from her shadow through mid-May, allow yourself to recalibrate. This is a beautiful time to journal, rest, dream, and nourish your sacred vision. You don't have to do it all at once, but you do have to honor what your soul is whispering to you. So today is the day to embrace this most amazing energetic dance of astrological planets and energies Feel what you're feeling. Feel what comes up. Talk to it. Allow it to be there. Allow it to flow through you. Allow yourself to release it. Remember, we don't have to sit in everything. Feeling it, allowing emotions to come up, feeling them, being in alignment, and allowing it to be released is part of your energetic alignment, coming back to self. So today is a beautiful day. I'm so excited I was able to jump back on and dive deeper with you with everything that's happening, because this is truly an amazing special opportunity to not only release and let go, but through that releasing and let go and clearing, being open to welcome in all of the new that is percolating and getting ready to come to you. Thank you so much for sharing this sacred moment with me today. If this episode resonated, please share it with someone you love, someone who might need to hear this, might need to help them release, open up, and see everything that the universe has been hinting at towards them. And if you're feeling called to experience the magic firsthand, reserve your space in the next Reiki Moon Magic Healing event happening tonight, Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. at jenniferpilates.com. And remember, Reiki knows no time, no distance. It doesn't know any of that. So I know a lot of us are on different time zones. I see you all tuning in from Russia and Ireland and all of the places. And I'm so grateful and honored and just blessed every time I see you all. And just know that it doesn't matter where you are, when you set your intentions and you're feeling called to this Reiki distant healing event, there is no time, there is no space. There is just love and energetic healing and clearing. And I would be honored to have your energy a part of the sacred portal this evening. Head over to jenniferpilates.com and reserve your space. Until next time, stay empowered, stay aligned, and keep listening to your heart. Keep shining. And as always, may you live an empowered life from within. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode. Please remember to rate, review, and subscribe to Empowered Within with Jennifer Pilates. Your feedback is important. It helps me to connect with you and gives me insight into who you are and what you're enjoying about the show. For today's show notes and discount codes from today's sponsors, head over to jenniferpilates.com. Until next time, may you live an empowered life from within. Hey there, wellness lovers. Are you ready to transform your fitness journey? Dive into my on-demand Pilates fusion workouts and meditations. Imagine blending the best of Pilates, yoga, and mindful meditation all at your fingertips. Get strong, flexible, and zen anytime, anywhere, 24/7. Head over to jenniferpilates.com for your special exclusive subscription discount. Don't miss out on this ultimate fusion experience. Elevate your body, your mind, and your spirit today. Let's move and meditate together. Hey, beautiful souls. Are you ready to elevate your health and wellness journey? Join my Empowered Within Holistic Health and Wellness private community on Facebook. Imagine having a supportive tribe where you can connect, share, and grow together. Receive exclusive access to holistic health tips, empowering workshops, all designed to help you thrive. Head over to jenniferpilates.com to join our Empowered Within Holistic Health and Wellness community today. Don't miss out on this transformational experience. Empower your mind, body, and spirit today. Let's embark on this journey together. Head over to jenniferpilates.com to join our Empowered Within Holistic Health and Wellness community today. I'll see you there.